Okay, let's just dive right in because there's this one warning from our source material that really, it just jumps out. It says, an AI working alone isn't autonomous. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
And that's really our mission for this deep dive, right? To unpack why that is.
Exactly.
What is this fundamental flaw? What's the missing link? And then how does this one approach from Infonaut.ai try to fix it?
And it's fascinating because it immediately gets to this idea of control over just raw speed. I mean, that's the whole thesis, isn't it?
Right.
That speed is basically useless if you don't have direction. It's like you give a system all the horsepower in the world, but no steering wheel, and you haven't made an assistant. You've just made a very fast error generator.
This is a failure mode. They call it the solo trap, right, for these autonomous agents.
And solo trap, yeah.
We keep hearing they're so smart, but they're missing these really human things. What are the big ones they're lacking?
Well, the big three seem to be context, intuition, and accountability.
Okay, context.
Think about it. An AI can run the numbers perfectly, but it has no clue if those numbers are, apples in a basket or $1 million regulatory fine. It lacks that grasp of consequence.
So when it hits something, it doesn't know.
It doesn't pause. It doesn't say, I'm not sure.
It makes something up.
It hallucinates. Exactly.
And that's the technical term they use.
Yeah, and it's so dangerous because it generates these perfectly fluent, confident-sounding falsehoods. It's just substituting its own algorithmic certainty for, actual facts when it hits a wall.
Which is a huge problem in high-stakes decisions.
A massive problem.
But here's the tension, right? Because automation is all about speed.
Always.
So if this solution from Infonaut, this human-in-the-loop idea, is all about keeping the human in the process, well, doesn't that just slow everything down?
It seems like it would.
I mean, how is that trade-off worth it?
It's a bit of a paradox, but their argument is that precision actually saves more time than you lose.
Oh, interesting. How so?
Well, think about it. The time you spend with a human expert giving a quick sanity check, that's way, way less than the time you'd spend cleaning up a massive mess from a hallucination.
So it's proactive versus reactive.
Totally. This HITL, this human in the loop, it's basically fusing the AI's raw power with a human's judgment. It's like quality control, but right at the source, before the mistake can even get out.
So for you, listening to this, what's the bottom line? If you need info you can trust, and you need it fast.
Well, the claim is that this model gets you to an accuracy that these solo AIs just can't touch.
Right.
And that seems to be the verifiable outcome. While a standalone AI is just guessing and doing it with like 99% confidence,
It is the scary part.
the combined system is actually delivering precision because that human expert is the final gatekeeper. The machine crunches the data, the person provides the context.
And that makes sure the fast answer is also the right answer.
That's the goal.
So it seems like the core takeaway is, it's pretty simple, actually.
Yeah,
Human judgment is that essential ingredient.
it is.
It's the context, the intuition, the accountability that these pure AI systems just don't have. We're the missing link, basically. We convert raw power into meaningful results.
And to leave you with one final thought, if we accept this, right?
Okay.
If human experts are truly essential for this level of accuracy, then what does that mean for the humans themselves? How does that change the responsibilities or even the training for the people who are supposed to be that human in the loop? It really shifts the whole idea of what expertise and accountability even mean in this new world.